Before we get into today's video, can I just ask everyone to please do your own due diligence, take everything as entertainment only. I am not a financial advisor.
Yeah, coincidence. Yeah, coincidence. Yeah, coincidence. Something that happens by chance, I think not.
What's the crack, everyone? Welcome back to Buy Wholesale. I hope, of course, you are all well. We're midway through financial week again. God, the times go so quick. I'm really excited to do this video. It's been one that's on the Trading 212 hot list. I did videos last week that proved to be very, very popular, and they're just reporting on what's trending and what's hot. And today's stock is no different, baby. It is ticker symbol WISH. Wish, and it is Contextlogic. Seems to be a very popular one at the moment, and everyone's kind of getting involved in it. Bit like the other stocks that we've covered on this channel, it is a bit of a meme stock. We will get into all that though throughout the video, but before we do, can you please like, please subscribe, help me grow the channel, guys. We're doing so well. The next big target is 2,000 subscribers. Unbelievable. How so many people have jumped on board with this here over the last sort of 6-7 months that we've been doing it. It's fantastic, guys. Really do appreciate all of you. Thank you very much. And without further ado, let's get into today's video. So Contextlogic is Wish, and Wish is a website a bit in the vein of sort of like an eBay, Alibaba. It's pretty much an e-commerce site that is directing you towards China goods at bargain prices. It's kind of misleading, you might say, a wee bit of a scam perhaps, but it's really not. It's legit, and it's got great people behind it. The founder is a former Google executive. They also have Airbnb people on their books, so they've got vast knowledge and very, very strong background in e-commerce and that kind of thing. So it's not what you maybe think from the outset. And I know from my personal experiences, you're on Facebook, you're scrolling down and you see Wish and you see the fake pair of almost identical Nike Air Max going for like £10 or something crazy like that. And earbuds for like $10 and all this kind of stuff, and you just think, and I'll be lying if I said I haven't clicked into the Wish website and had a look. And if you actually go on to their website here, as you can see, first thing you get to do is prompted to log in. You don't get to go on. It's not like eBay or Amazon where you get to scroll and see your products and then you can sign in to pay for it. It asks you directly to do this. So we will do this right now just to do the experience online here. So welcome back, guys. As you can see, I have previously signed up this here. Look at this. I enter the Wish sweepstakes. So it's about bargains. You can choose this. You can get all these different products, and it makes you feel like you're in for a chance to win. So you go onto the website here. Shopping made fun. Introducing pickup now. Items with this green badge are eligible for free same-day pickup. So, they've got all this type of thing here. Shop now. So, hi Damien, today's sweepstakes ends in 20 hours and 40 minutes. It makes you feel like you're missing out on a bargain. You've got to act quick. Loads of different products, almost gone, all this kind of thing. It just makes you go, right, addicted is exactly what it is. It can be addictive because you're thinking, God, it's 88% off today only. £5, bargain, gotta buy it. And this is the whole idea of it. It just makes you feel air horn. It gives you the horn. It makes you think, I've got to buy, got to get in, miss out on these here. Look at these here. DC for £16. So that's a big brand, everyone knows. And you go on, you'll have a look at it and you go, well, what is this here? It doesn't advertise it as that, but it looks to be. So if it goes select size, 3XL, it's all Chinese stuff. I'm going to buy it. Gets added to your cart. You go in. And then they add in the shipping costs, £9, or ship to a store, and you can pick your store. And this is what it is. Look at all this here. Now it's become the point where you can actually ship it to certain places that are close by. You can pay by PayPal, so you've got their safe security, all of that. And you get entered into your sweepstakes. Makes you feel like you're a part of it all. 30-day guarantees, but like eBay and all that. Look at this, a daily login bonus, 1 stamp earned 7 stamps, and you earn 50% off. So it's again enticing you to come back. Personally speaking, I would have been all over this back in the day. When you're looking for bargains, people that are maybe on lower incomes, not to do any disrespect to anybody, but people that maybe financially aren't in a great position, or are just the natural bargain hunter. Those kind of people shopping like the likes of TK Maxx or Poundland, Pound stores, dollar stores in America. These stores are very, very popular. They're everywhere because everyone likes a bargain, and I like a bargain. I do. So things like this here are very appealing. And I have shopped in it before. I've got some of the products, but bit cheap at times, the material, the quality. You test these things out. But there is stuff that is good, and there's no doubt about it. So yeah, that's an idea of what the Wish website is all about. The reason why they make you sign in straight away is because they want to tailor your shopping experience. And that's what they do so well. They're actually doing very good at marketing, direct marketing to you, so they know exactly what kind of stuff you've been typing in your Google cookies. They know exactly what you're interested in, all this, and that's where the expertise comes from, the former executive of Google. It just has all of this feeding into their shopping experience. So when you go on, they'll know that you've been looking for trainers, or they'll know that you've been looking for headphones, and they'll direct you towards that, hit you with the bargain discounts, all this kind of stuff, and make you go, almost question, is it too good to be true? But it's actually not. A lot of it is genuine, and it is all real, and they do offer money back guarantees, so it's virtually risk-free, especially if you're paying with PayPal and stuff. So it's good in that sense, guys. But what's extra spicy about this one at the moment is, if we go on to stock twits, we can see here, guys, if we look down, Wish, here we come, AMC, most mentioned stocks on Reddit. Number 3 is Wish. So if we scroll down here, you can see Ape, all of this stuff. It's a target of the Reddit groups, guys. People are jumping on this. It's another meme stock, and people are getting excited about this. So you've got that going for it, and you've actually got going for it that it is got great potential as a stock itself. It's not very often that you get a stock that has 2 catalysts. Now, we've talked about stuff in this channel before, like Zomedica, big believer in it, thought it was going to go to the moon. We did a video on it, it went to the moon. You've seen the gains on that, 150%, everybody was winning. That was a great stock. However, on the back of that then became the meme stuff, and it kind of screwed with my valuation. I didn't know where it was, my price target, everything was a bit scary, so I ended up just pulling out of it. And thankfully, I did all that about 4 or 5 months ago, and the market went on a downturn, so I kind of got lucky that way. But it really uncertainty there, I didn't know where to go. I didn't fully understand 5-6 months ago, the power of the meme stocks. Mind you, I will plug right now, if you go down to the description below, you'll get my Reuters article, which I covered with Reuters, the biggest financial news outlet. We covered talking about memes and how they are affecting the stock market, so it's a good read, guys, very on trend. And while you're down there as well, there's discount codes for crypto, there's free shares for joining free trade, get a bit of diversity in your portfolio, guys, go and check it all out. But yes, Wish is going to be good for the long term. It's got a great potential, and now we've got the meme stock. So we're not going to talk too much more about that. We know about the memes. Check out all the other videos. We've talked about that, especially the last sort of 3 weeks. So it'll be interesting to see how high this can go on the basis of that. Now, if we pull out the chart, guys, we can see here, this is on the day chart. We can see back in January, it was a lovely high at $31.50. We even seen highs of about $33, and then it has tanked. Now, why is it tanked? Like the other stocks, growth stocks, e-commerce stuff, it's tanked because the markets took a bit of a downturn, and also we've started to reopen. So people that maybe love their Poundland or love their dollar stores are able to go to these stores, and people that like, your TK Maxx, and I think it's TJ Maxx in America or whatever, they've been able to go out to these stores, hence stop using Wish. Now, most of these things have pulled back this significant. Even look at Alibaba. I think it's down on the full last year, which is just mind-blowing. So I'm not worried about why it's pulled back. I understand why it's pulled back, and I get now that it's a part of the meme and how high can it go. So if we zoom right in here, we can see it got really, a lot of volume, got really excited. In and around 790 it was previously at, and then it shot right up to 1162, nice rise. And then it was up to about $15, and it has had a bit of a pullback. And as of yesterday, guys, I jumped in on this treat. I've got an average price of in and around $11, and my price target, guys, purely based on the meme hype, excitement, that could go, God knows how high this could go, it could go to the moon. But if you can at least see that it is a decent stock, fundamentals are good, guys. We're not going to go into the financials, trust me, they're looking good. If you look at this, for example, Contextlogic stock forecast and price targets, $20.50 is what the average consensus is, guys. 6 ratings, 4 buy, 2 holds. Wall Street is saying it's a buy, it's a good stock. The meme guys are saying buy, it's going to the moon. I'm in, not big beer, guys, about £200, $300, that kind of range. I wouldn't be surprised that over the next 12 months we see it go up to $20, but you could even see higher rises than that. But because of what I'm trying to do, if you watch my other videos, guys, I'm a wee bit worried about the stock market in general. I feel like there could be a crash in the near sort of 6 to 12 month period, so I don't really want to be investing for too long, other than the big boys that I have, my Teslas, my Baba, or whatever. Not too keen on opening up new positions other than ones that are going to be swing trading. So for the next month, I'm going to open up a position and we'll see where it goes. It could be out of it sooner, it could be in it longer. Important to get me on the Instagram, BHSDMV for that, guys, add me. I'll keep you up to date with my live trades. We can see here, guys, it's at 11.40. I'm going to look to get it in and around $16. That will be a 50% rise on the price that I bought now. Now, I have 120 odd pound in it now. I want to double down on that. I wanted to see how it goes. You know I like to phase in my money, guys. So I'm going to phase it in and we'll see how high it goes. But that's it. That's the video, guys. I'm in. Looking for a 50% rise, lovely swing trade. We'll see what way it goes. Plenty more of these kind of videos coming. If you have liked this video, please like, please subscribe, help me grow the channel. I appreciate it's a very high level overview, but I don't need to say too much more. It's a meme stock, it could go mental. Plus, it's got good fundamentals, long-term hold if you wish. Worst comes to worst, if I do go red on this, I am prepared to hold. I love stocks like this. Huge gains, worst comes to worst, you've got a good stock. I like this, guys. If you've liked this video, please hit the subscribe button as well, and I'll catch you on the next one.
Yeah.
Coincidence.
Yeah.
Coincidence.
Something that happens by chance, I think not.